Experiment number 5, overnight rainbow. Tools needed from kit: test tubes and test tube stand, measuring spoon, white polymer beads from packet number 10, coloring agent from packet number 11, ingredients needed from home, water, and paper towels. Step number 1, fill 2 test tubes halfway with water. Also a tip, you can use the funnel from your science kit to make this process easier. Step 2, add the coloring agent to 2 test tubes. The more coloring agent you use, the darker the color. So grab packet number 11, which has your coloring agents, and you can choose red, yellow, or blue, and you're going to need 2 different colors. I'm going to put yellow in test tube number 1 and blue in test tube number 2. Step number 3, close the caps and shake well. Step number 4, add 3 to 5 scoops of your white polymer crystals and let it sit overnight. Your polymer crystals are packet number 10, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. After step 4, let it sit overnight. The next day after the crystals sat overnight, you will do step 5. Dry the crystals off in a paper towel. Step 6, layer the different colored crystals in one small test tube. Really squish the crystals together and close the cap. Step 7, wait 1 to 2 more days and see if they change or mix. Here's the result that I got. If you remember correctly, at the beginning of the experiment, we used blue and yellow, and now we have blue and green.